Today, the wind howled in the Cascade foothills, bringing down trees and causing power outages. It's leaving many families cold and in the dark tonight. KIRO 7's Graham Johnson is live in Enumclaw. And Graham, you were there when all this began this afternoon.
Yeah, Steve, we are getting quite a cold wind coming right off the mountains here tonight. At this moment, not too bad, but I'll tell you, there are some gusts that come up. Just as Morgan was starting to talk a minute or so ago, a really big one came up. In fact, we've seen enough of these gusts that my colleague Tom Matsuzawa thought it best to tie this this light to this tree. And as I come over here, I can turn on one of these other lights so you can see the wind. Not too bad right now in that tree. But through much of the day, we've been watching this flag here in the last little while here at Veterans Memorial Park. And at times, well, it's really been whipping. This week's snow today began blowing sideways in Enumclaw as the wind roared out of the mountains. The strong gusts caught this roofing crew off guard.
Here we didn't realize it'd be quite this windy, so we're just trying to button up what we got started.
The wind took down this tree south of town where about 700 customers were out of power. Line crews had to navigate icy roads. In the center of Enumclaw, the owner of Bordeaux Wine Bar watched the wind blow by outside.
Oh my gosh, yes, the lights have been flickering for the last probably 2 hours, so I don't know if we're going to be able to be open today, but we're going to do our best.
Up at Crystal Mountain, skiers found themselves stuck on chairlifts when the power suddenly went out.
Got on the gondola and power went out right as soon as I sat down.
Ski area workers fired up diesel backups to empty the lifts. Crystal managers say after the wind knocked out the power, 2 backup generators failed.
Typically, when we get power outages, we rely on the Puget Sound Energy backup generator. If that fails, we do have a backup to that. Today, that one didn't start up either.
Crystal offered vouchers or refunds, and we saw a big line of cars headed off the mountain. The ski area says the outage lasted a little over an hour.
Not too happy. It's a good day up there. We're missing some good snow.
And actually, as you see here, not too bad, again, in terms of the wind at this moment here in Enumclaw. And power crews really did make a lot of progress in the last few hours on that down tree that we showed you. It's just south of town. I checked a few minutes ago, and just 34 customers were still out of power there. Live in Enumclaw, Graham Johnson, KIRO 7 News.